Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Tree Classroom. Midday Kwejo. And today we are going to talk about colors in tree. And colors in tree, we say ahunsuo, ahunsuo, ahunsuo. Now, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more video on tree lessons. Now, let's look at the first color, and that is the color red. And in tree, we say ko, ko, ko. So together, koko, koko, koko. Good. The next one is tum tum, tum tum, tum tum. And tum tum is black. So tum tum, tum tum. The next color, obviously, you can see from my background, and that is white. And white, we say fita, 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 or fufuo, fufuo. So white in tree is either fita or fufuo, fufuo. Now the next one, which is green in English, and in tree we say ahabanmono, ahabanmono. So together, ahabanmono, ahabanmono. So the ahabanmono comes from two words, ahaban, which means leaves, and mono means new or fresh. So literally translated, fresh leaf or new leaf, and that is green. So ahabanmono, ahabanmono. And the next color, which is yellow, and in tree we say akoko sradeɛ, akoko sradeɛ. So together, akoko sradeɛ. This one too comes from two words. The first part is akoko, and akoko means chicken. Then sradeɛ is fat. So together, it's like the chicken fat. So if you have killed a live chicken before, you will see its fat as yellow. And that is how the Akans called the color yellow as akoko sradeɛ. Akoko sradeɛ. Good. The next one is gold color. Gold color. And the Akans, we say sika koko, sika koko. So together, sika koko, sika koko, and that is gold. This one too has two words that has been put together. Sika, that is money, and then koko means red. So you can say like red money. So we call gold as sika koko, sika koko. So the color gold, we also say sika koko, sika koko. And the next one, which is color blue, color blue. And in tree, we say bibire, bibire. So together, we say bibre, bibre. And bibre, that is blue, bibre, bibre. Now the next color is ash, ash or gray. And we say son, 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 son. So together, son, 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 son. So one son, son also come from the tree word son. Son is ash. So we get the ash when you burn firewood. After the fire has finished burning, you will see the ashes there, and that is the color. So we say son, 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 son. Good. Now the next color here is pink. Pink. And in tree, we say me, 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 me. So together, we say me, 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 me. So that is pink, me, 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 me. Then we go to purple, purple. And purple in tree, we say bre, dum. So we have be, re, dum. But we pronounce this together as bre, dum, or afasi, bre, afasibiri, afasibiri. So purple in tree is bredum or afasibiri, afasibiri. Good. Now we go to brown. How do we say brown in tree? And brown in tree is dodoye, do, e. So together, dodoye, dodoye. So dodoye, that is brown color. Brown in tree is dodoye, dodoye, dodoye. Good. I know you practice it along and watch the video, repeat the color after me, and you'll be able to identify and say any color in tree that you come across. Once again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. See you again.